Hi, I'm Brian Burke, Woody's gardening and DIY expert. Moss, algae and lichens can be attractive features in a garden. They create a mature look. They also contribute to the ecosystem within the garden. However, in the wrong setting, they can be dangerous. Paths and steps and paving and patios that have damp build-up of growth can create hazardous conditions, which periodically needs to be cleaned. The power washer is a great way to do that. Here's what you're going to need. Moss, algae, dirt and debris are a fact of life in the garden. The power washer is a great way to manage all of that. A medium duty machine that produces about 130 bar like the one we used here today is perfectly adequate for most domestic applications. Job done.